In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a virtual assistant business in 2026 with step-by-step free training. If you've been thinking about becoming a virtual assistant, the good news is that you do not need to know everything before you begin. A strong starting point is identifying the skills you already have. Think about the tasks you enjoy doing, the software you already know how to use, and any experience you've gained from previous jobs or freelance work. Even if you're completely new, transferable skills like communication, organization, and time management are highly valuable and often exactly what clients are looking for. Once you know your strengths, choose the services you want to offer. It's much better to start with a small set of services you can deliver confidently instead of trying to do everything at once. Common virtual assistant services include administrative support, social media management, email management, calendar scheduling, customer service, data entry, research, blog publishing, presentation creation, and basic graphic design. You can always expand later as your experience grows. And next, take advantage of free training. There are many free resources available that can help you build both confidence and practical skills. Focus on learning virtual assistant fundamentals, time management, client communication, productivity tools, social media management, project management, search engine optimization, and basic bookkeeping. As you learn, make sure you practice. Sample projects or volunteer work can help you turn knowledge into real experience. After that, choose the business tools you'll use to stay organized and professional. Most virtual assistants need an email platform, video conferencing software, cloud storage, a calendar application, task management software, word processing, and spreadsheet tools, a graphic design platform, and a password manager. The good news is that many beginner-friendly tools offer free plans, so you can get started without a big investment. Now it's time to create your portfolio. Clients want to see examples of what you can do, so include things like email templates, social media graphics, blog posts, presentation slides, spreadsheets, content calendars, and administrative documents. If you haven't worked with clients yet, create sample projects that clearly show your abilities. Then set your rates by researching the market and deciding how you want to charge. You might offer hourly rates, fixed price packages, weekly retainers, or monthly retainers. As your skills improve and your results become stronger, you can raise your prices over time. To find your first clients, start networking on professional platforms, join freelancer communities, ask for referrals from friends or former colleagues, reach out to small businesses, share your services on social media, and apply for remote virtual assistant opportunities. Consistency matters here, so keep showing up and applying regularly. Finally, focus on delivering excellent service. Communicate clearly, meet deadlines, stay organized, be proactive, keep clients updated, ask for feedback, and continue improving your skills.